breakfast, lunch, or the best deals on meals. Cafe Paradise caters for you. Choose from a wide variety of appetizers, salads, soups, or just have some fun with our smoothies. Get breakfast with that homemade touch or indulge in our deals on meals, like our school special. Get rice, salad, and a juice for just $400. Or check out our daily lunch specials. Every Wednesday, get the 2-for-1 special. Buy one meal and get the other absolutely free between 12 hours and 13 hours. On Saturday, check out our buffet brunch from 7 hours 30 to 11 hours 30. Cafe Paradise, satisfying your hunger for life's simple pleasure. 216 South Road, Lazytown. Telephone number 231-8684. We also do catering for that special event.